Hello friends, welcome to Golan. In today's video, we are going to be learning an essay on Bihar, which is of 500 words, so let's begin. Bihar, a land of rich heritage and cultural diversity. Bihar, located in the eastern part of India, is a state steeped in history, culture, and tradition. With a rich heritage dating back to ancient times, Bihar has been a cradle of civilization and learning. This essay aims to explore the diverse facets of Bihar, from its historical significance to its cultural vibrancy and economic potential. Historical significance. Bihar holds a special place in Indian history as the birthplace of two major religions, Buddhism and Jainism. It was in Bodh Gaya that Lord Buddha attained enlightenment under the Bodhi tree, making it one of the most sacred pilgrimage sites for Buddhists worldwide. The ancient University of Nalanda, located in Bihar, was a renowned center of learning, attracting scholars from across the world. The state is also home to important archaeological sites like Vikramshila and Pawapuri, adding to its historical significance. Cultural vibrancy. Bihar's cultural tapestry is woven with colorful threads of music, dance, art, and festivals. The folk dances like Jat Jatin and Jijian are a reflection of the state's vibrant cultural heritage. Bihari cuisine is known for its unique flavors and traditional dishes like litti chokha and sattu paratha. The Chhath Puja, a major festival dedicated to the sun god, is celebrated with great fervor across the state, showcasing the deep-rooted traditions of Bihar. Economic potential. While Bihar has a strong historical and cultural legacy, it also holds immense economic potential. The state is rich in natural resources, like fertile agricultural land and mineral deposits. Agriculture forms the backbone of Bihar's economy, with crops like rice, wheat, maize, and pulses being major contributors. The state government has been focusing on infrastructure development and industrial growth to harness Bihar's economic potential further. Challenges and opportunities. Despite its rich heritage and economic potential, Bihar faces challenges like poverty, illiteracy, and inadequate infrastructure. However, these challenges also present opportunities for growth and development. Initiatives like skill development programs, education reforms, and investment in key sectors can help unlock Bihar's true potential and improve the quality of life for its residents. Conclusion. In conclusion, Bihar stands as a testament to India's diverse cultural landscape and rich historical legacy. From the ancient ruins of Nalanda to the bustling markets of Patna, Bihar offers a glimpse into a world where tradition meets modernity. By preserving its heritage, tapping into its economic potential, and addressing key challenges, Bihar can pave the way for a brighter future while staying true to its roots. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.